You can build a thermal imaging camera using a Raspberry Pi, an MLX 90640, and the Raspberry Pi camera module. This project fuses the Raspberry Pi's camera feed with a thermal graphic overlay, allowing you to capture visual images. A live preview of the camera feed displays a heat map color scheme to represent hot and cold objects using a common thermal color spectrum. The Pi Camera Module V3 and MLX 90640 IR thermal image sensor are mounted side by side to create a dual camera system. Our Python script features a graphical interface that allows you to control the overlay's opacity, temperature range, and even take screenshots. The electronics are housed in a custom-designed 3D printed snap-fit enclosure. There's no soldering required because everything connects via socket headers or plugs in via Stemma QT. Besides the two camera modules, it's essentially a Raspberry Pi enclosure with cutouts for all of their various ports. The tutorial for this project walks you through setting up the virtual Python environment and installing Blinka, our CircuitPython compatibility layer. Check out our guide at learn.adafruit.com. Our enclosure design is free to download and open to remix. 3D models of all of the electronics are also available on our GitHub repo, links are in the description. We hope this inspires you to check out our guide for your next thermal imaging project.